Hi, this is Joseph Wright from Active Media Project, and we're bringing you another tutorial. Today's tutorial is called How to Set Up and Filter Google Alerts. First off, we need to create a Google account or sign in if you already have one. Navigate to the following web address, google.com/alerts. Type a search word or phrase for the subject, object or person you would like information on in the search box at the top of the page. Once you start typing, you will notice a button labeled Create Alert just below the search box. Below that, you will notice several news feeds related to the words that you've just typed in. After typing in your search words, you can go ahead and hit the Create Alerts button or click the Show Options drop-down menu next to it. The drop-down menu is simple and gives options on the frequency, source, and where you would like the information to be sent. If you hit the Create Alerts button, you'll be presented with a list of alerts that you've chosen. You can then edit the same options by clicking on the pencil icon in line with your alert. Follow these steps for every alert that you would like to set up, and make a note of each of the search phrases you've used for your alerts, i.e. music production, as this will be needed later in the process. Navigate to your Gmail account and locate your settings. Look for the gear icon, usually situated at the top right of the screen. When you're there, look for and click on the settings link. A new page will emerge where you should look for and click on the labels tab near the top left of the screen. This will bring you to a new screen where you should look down the page to find and click on the Create New Label button, and a pop-up menu will appear. There are two options here, label name and the option to associate the new label under an existing one, if already created. Now comes the filtering. In the settings area, look for and click on the filters and blocked addresses tab. You will then need to find and click on the Create New Filters text link, currently located in the center of the screen about halfway down. A pop-up box will appear. In the subject field text area, you will need to insert the wording that you used for your Google Alerts service, i.e. music production. At the bottom right corner of this box, click on the text link called Create Filters with this search. This box will present new options. Look for Apply the label and choose the label you've created from the drop-down list to the right of the text. After that, click Create Filter, and that's it. It's all done. According to the settings that you've used in your Google Alerts account, you will simply click on the appropriate label in your email service, and you'll be able to access all the emails that have been sent to you via the Google Alerts service. If you enjoy content like this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the link below. You can also click on the bell icon, which will give you alerts as and when I upload new videos. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave comments below, as this will help me to improve the content that I produce. And until the next time, I wish you peace, happiness, and so much laughter.